comes the question, where are the loops? Alright, so here I am drawing the loops for you. This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and this is my z-axis. Okay. Now I'm drawing different colors, different loops. All right.
Yeah.
So this is my loop number 1. This is my loop number 2. This is my loop number 3.
So like we have to tell which loop is more stable?
Yeah.
Like,
okay.
We are given 3 and we have to tell which one of these 3 is more stable.
Yeah.